Excavator goes to quarry to work. It is on the way to the quarry. Oh, stop! Wait for the green light. Green, let's go. Arrive the quarry. Here it is. Move a bit forward. Let's dig the stones. 1, 2. Wait, there is no carriage for them. What should we do? It's okay. Let the dumper help. Go! Drive carefully on the curve. Go straight. Dumper arrived. Excavator hooks up the stone and loads it into dumper. Hook the second stone. Load it. The carriage is almost full. Let Excavator dig more stones. Stones press against the wheels of Dumper. Dumper can't get out no matter how hard he tries. Excavator can help him. Turn around. Hook all these stones away. We are almost done. Yeah! Dumper is able to get out. Great! Excavator continues to dig stones. Be careful. Load them on the carriage. It's full. Dumper sets out. Excavator finished his work. Wow! Reaper moves house today. But he has lots of things to move. What should he do? Ask Transporter to help. Transporter arrived. Let's load on Transporter. Done! Transporter is ready to set out. This is water cart. Oh, stop! Oh no! Transporter was knocked down. He needs help. Let Loader and Crane help him. Loader arrived. Crane also arrived. Crane is going to work. Lift Transporter, straighten him, put him down. Then, Crane moves things back to Transporter and lifts the cabinet. Drive forward. Ready to load. Okay, finished. Another one. Lift the sofa and put it on the transporter. All the stuff has been moved. Crane fulfilled his task. Here is a box left. Let's Loader carry it to Transporter. to go! Crane can go back. Loader can go back too. Water cart moves on. Moves on. Look! Wolfo is taking a nap. No! Something is falling from the second floor. Oh, it hits Wolfo. Wolfo seems to be out of control. He crashes into the cake shelf. Oh no! Wolfo is colored confusedly. Tutu is also napping. Tutu, rush to take a look. Oh! Wolfo is in an accident. What happened? The bucket is also broken. Tutu, take Wolfo to die. Let's die right here. Tutu, turn on the dyeing machine. Start to dye. Look, Wolfo is turning to be red. Turn it off. Let him come down. However, the bucket is still broken. What to do? Tutu, please go to help Wolfo. Take Wolfo to repair. Arrived at the repair shop. Clean up the clutter. Tutu. Then, move the shelf. Raise the platform. Tutu wants to repair Wolfo, but it can't reach him. What to do now? Hey, there is a mechanical arm. Tutu gets the arm. Begin to repair. Remove the broken bucket. Tutu, please take a new one. Here is the bucket. Put it on Wolfo. Bucket is repaired. Tutu did a good job. Wolfo can leave. Hey! Why does Buzz stop? There is a wooden bridge ahead. Wow, it's high. Buzz, please be careful. Buzz suddenly breaks. What happened? Watch out! It collapsed. Buzz, don't worry. Now back up. Buzz can't go over it. What to do? Wolfo, Buzz needs your help. Robot, get on. Set out with Tutu. Arrived. Don't worry, they'll fix the bridge soon. Wolfo, go to take a look. Wolfo checks on the bridge. Oh no! It breaks again! Luckily, Wolfoo hung on it. Come on! Oh! Wolfoo comes up! Good job! Wolfoo knocks the plate off. Robot lifts the new one. Put it on. Good job. Wolfoo also hooks up the plate. Put it on. It's solid. Robot lifts another one. Put it well. It's the last one. Leave it to Wolfoo. Put it on. Done! Bus, you can go across now. Bus is still afraid. Wolfoo and Tutu go first. Here they come. Bus, it's safe. Don't worry. Bus is ready to go. He stretches out the wheel for a try. Go, Bus! Wow, he came safely. Logging car is going to fell the trees. Go! Turn to the trees. Ready to cut trees?
Okay.
Wow! It's done! Cut it into small pieces. Okay. How to transport the wood? Let wood transport truck go to help. Arrive. Wood transport truck is ready. Let logging car change its claw. Remove the saw and connect the claw. Test the claw. Okay, no problem. Go to move the wood. Pick up a bundle of wood. Back up. Put it next to the transport truck to remove. Another bundle of wood. Back up. Put it down. Continue. Wood has been moved here. Let transport truck lift them up. Pick one bundle of wood. Lift it. Done. Take the wood away. Let's go. What is Tutu going to do? It carries freight. Watch out! Dodge it! Oh, the goods fell into the river. Tutu, go to pick up the goods. He comes to the river and stretch out the wheel to block them. Look! The goods are floating down. Alas! He can't reach them. Goods float away. Tutu seems to find something. Huh? Branches? Got it! We can stop the goods with branches. Tutu takes the branch quickly. Throw it into the river. Hope he can succeed. Oh, he failed. Huh? Bus, do you want to block them with the stone? Come on, push it! Push the stone into the river. Goods float down. Hope he can succeed. Yeah! Goods are blocked! But Tutu still can't reach it. Wolfoo, wake up! Tutu needs your help. It can't reach the goods in the river. Go to have a look. Wolfoo arrived. Wolfoo, please hook the boxes. No problem. Wolfoo, come on. Yeah, boxes are hooked up by Wolfoo. Look! Wolfoo is sleeping deeply. Oh? What happened to Bus? It is too hungry to stand up. Wolfoo! Wolfoo, wake up! Wolfoo, I'm so hungry. Could you take some food for me? Wolfoo has several cakes here. But which cake will he take to Bus? There are cream cake, blueberry cake, mango cake, and strawberry cake. Take the cream cake to Bus. Go to deliver the cake to Bus. Wow, the sun is strong. The cake is melting gradually. Whoa! Go back to get another one. Arrived! Put the melted cake to the shelf. Take another one. The blueberry cake. Wolfoo, be quicker this time. Otherwise, the cake will melt again. Oh no! The cake fell on the ground. Luckily, Wolfoo is well. But the cake is no longer edible. Go back again. Put back the broken cake. What to do now? Wolfoo, find a way. Oh, Wolfoo got an idea. Hurry up. Bus is very hungry now. Take a mango cake this time. Look, the sun is still strong. But the cake is shaded by the bucket. Let's go! Wolfoo is delivering the cake carefully. Bus, cake is coming soon. Wolfoo arrived. Put the cake on the ground. Bus, please eat the cake. Wow, Bus is energetic again. Look! Bus is driving on the road! Hey, Bus! Oh no! There is a sharp rock! But Buzz doesn't find it! Oh! Buzz hits the tree! Huh? What noise? No! Falling rocks! Buzz needs help! Wolfoo, Tutu, go to help Buzz! Little Red and Little Blue go with them. They arrived. Poor Buzz is laying on the ground and couldn't get up. Buzz, don't worry. I will call Wolfoo for help. Wolfoo, go to help Buzz now. Hook Buzz with the bucket. Pull it back, Wolfoo. Come on, Wolfoo. Oh, Wolfoo is out of strength. Tutu and Robots go to assist Wolfoo. Tutu is here. Little Red is here. Little Blue is here. Help Buzz up. However, Buzz seems a bit off. Wolfoo, check Buzz now. Lift Buzz first. Little Blue, please check the bearing problem. It doesn't seem to have problem with the bearing. So what is the problem is? Go to the front. Oh, the bumper of Buzz was dented. The tires of Buzz were also punctured. Something is off. Wolfoo, take Buzz's temperature with the thermometer. Buzz, take your temperature. Oh, Buzz is in fever. Wolfoo, take Buzz back to the base for treatment.
Loader is patrolling the street. Huh? Why is it smoking in the front? Let's go! Stop! Oh no! The house is on fire! Let fire engine put out the fire! Go! Arrived! Excuse me, loader! Fire engine starts to put out the fire. Extend the water gun. Begin! It runs out of water! The fire hasn't gone out! Let's replenish water! Pack up the water gun! Go!
Go!
Fire engine comes to the pool! Let's replenish water! Wow! Extend the water pipe! Wow, it's full!
Okay.
Let's go back! Arrived? Go on! Fire engine, put out the fire! However, there is still fire in the haystack. Loader deals with it. It comes to fire engine, removes the clog, and connects the extinguisher. Loader puts out the fire. Fire is put out. Back to the fire engine. pusher. Loader completed the task. It can go. Fire engine can also go. It did a good job.
Bus is watering the flower. Wufu comes to the river for collecting water. Be careful, Wufu. No, Wufu fell into the river. Don't worry, we will help you right away. Tutu stretches the wheel to stop Wufu. Look, Wufu floats down. Oh, Tutu can't reach him. Hey, a stone! Bus, hurry up and go to help it. Push the stone into the river. Come on! Tutu finds another stone aside. Go to push it into the river. Tutu prepared, ready to push it. It's done! Tutu is great! Oh, Wufu floats here. Wufu is stopped. He tried to swim ashore, but he failed. Look, Tutu throws a rope. Wufu holds the rope. Bus, Tutu, are you ready? Let's pull Wufu out! Whoa, Wufu comes out! The Wufu got a cold. Go back for treatment. Wufu and Bus are looking for water in the desert. They look here and there. I'm so thirsty. I can't move anymore. What does Bus find? It is a lizard. The sand is too hot. The lizard's legs are standing apart. What is Bus thinking about? Go to find water. Bus is imitating the lizard. Bus, you're so naughty. Look, the lizard is angry with you. Let's find some water. The desert is so dry. The sun is strong. We can't go without water. Oh, what happened to Bus? No! The wheels of Bus are stuck in the sand. Hey, Bus, come on! Wufu, Bus is stuck in the sand. Whoops, Bus can't get out. Hold on, I'm sure I can find water source. Where is Bus? Another trouble. I'm coming! Wufu! Push Bus! Come on, Bus! Whew! Bus comes out! What's the sound? We find the water source! Bus pushes the detector away. Wufu starts to dig. Come on, Wufu! Come on! Wow! Wufu digs deeper and deeper. Wufu's shadows disappear from the ground. Bus waits for a long time. He couldn't wait. Wufu! Wufu! Can you find the water source? No. Wufu! Is there any water? Oil! Oil! You? Oil! It's oil, not you. Buzz and Wolfoo is washed up to the air by oil. They are falling. Huh? It seems to rain. It's raining. We can drink water. Buzz and Wolfoo are chasing the rain. Oh, they failed. Don't give up. Oh, the thunder struck Wolfoo and Buzz. The lizard comes next to them and despises them and flies away. Wow, there is a big pool ahead.